Automated. Wealth. In today's digital landscape, the idea of making money on YouTube has become increasingly appealing, especially with the potential to earn up to $500 a day without ever stepping in front of a camera. Imagine generating income while you sleep, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. This is not just a dream, it's a reality for many content creators who have harnessed AI tools to automate their video production processes. AI tools can streamline content creation in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. From script writing and voiceovers to video editing and thumbnail generation, these technologies can handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on strategy and growth. With the right tools, you can produce high-quality videos that attract viewers and generate revenue without the need for traditional filming. What makes this approach even more enticing is the concept of passive income. Once your videos are uploaded and optimized, they can continue to earn money through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships, all while you pursue other interests or projects. This passive income strategy not only provides financial freedom, but also allows you to explore your creativity without the constraints of a typical 9-to-5 job. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of YouTube and leverage AI tools for success, stay tuned as we explore the steps to get started. Understanding AI tools. As the landscape of content creation evolves, various AI tools have emerged to help creators streamline their processes and enhance their productivity on platforms like YouTube. Two popular options are ChatGPT and Synthesia, each offering unique features that cater to different aspects of video generation. ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can assist in generating scripts, brainstorming ideas, and even crafting engaging narratives for your videos. By using ChatGPT, you can save time on writing and focus on refining your content, ensuring it resonates with your audience. This tool is particularly beneficial for creators who may struggle with writer's block or need a fresh perspective on their topics. On the other hand, Synthesia specializes in video generation, allowing users to create professional-looking videos without the need for filming. With Synthesia, you can generate lifelike avatars that deliver your script in a visually appealing manner. This tool is perfect for those who want to produce educational or promotional content without the hassle of traditional video production. Choosing the right AI tools for your niche is crucial. Different niches may require specific styles or formats, and selecting tools that align with your content goals can significantly impact your success. By leveraging the capabilities of AI tools like ChatGPT and Synthesia, you can streamline your content creation process, enhance your productivity, and ultimately grow your YouTube channel more effectively. Niche selection. Selecting a profitable niche for your YouTube channel is a crucial step toward achieving success, especially when leveraging AI-generated content. One effective approach is to identify trending niches that are currently gaining traction. Topics such as personal finance, health and wellness, technology reviews, and digital marketing are not only popular but also lend themselves well to AI-generated content. By focusing on these areas, you can tap into existing demand while utilizing AI tools to create engaging videos. However, it's not enough to simply choose a trending niche. Audience research and demand analysis are essential. Understanding your target audience's preferences, pain points, and interests will help you tailor your content to meet their needs. Tools like Google Trends, social media insights, and keyword research can provide valuable data on what potential viewers are searching for. This information can guide your content strategy and ensure that you are addressing topics that resonate with your audience. While profitability is important, it's equally vital to choose a niche you are passionate about. Creating content in an area that excites you will not only make the process more enjoyable, but also translate into more authentic and engaging videos. Your enthusiasm will shine through, attracting viewers who share your interests. By combining trending niches with thorough audience research and personal passion, you can set the foundation for a successful YouTube channel that stands out in the crowded digital landscape. Content creation strategies. Creating engaging content on YouTube is essential for attracting and retaining viewers, and AI tools can significantly enhance your content creation strategies. One of the first steps is to generate scripts and ideas using AI tools like ChatGPT. By inputting your niche and desired topics, you can receive a variety of script suggestions and creative ideas that can serve as a foundation for your videos. This not only saves time, but also helps you brainstorm unique angles that may resonate with your audience. Once you have your content ready, optimizing your video titles and descriptions is crucial for visibility and engagement. AI tools can assist in crafting compelling titles that incorporate relevant keywords, making it easier for potential viewers to find your videos. A well-optimized description can provide context and encourage viewers to click on your content, so using AI to analyze trending keywords and phrases can be a game changer. Additionally, visuals play a significant role in attracting viewers, and AI can help you create eye-catching thumbnails and graphics. Tools like Canva or Adobe Spark, which incorporate AI features, allow you to design professional-looking thumbnails that stand out in search results. A captivating thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate, making it an essential part of your content strategy. By leveraging AI for script generation, optimization, and visual creation, you can develop a streamlined approach to producing engaging content that captures your audience's attention and drives growth on your YouTube channel. Monetization techniques. When it comes to making money on YouTube, there are several monetization methods that creators can explore to maximize their income potential. One of the most common sources of revenue is ad revenue, which is generated through YouTube's partner program. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can earn money from ads displayed on your videos. This can provide a steady income stream, especially if your content attracts a large audience. In addition to ad revenue, affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. By promoting products or services in your videos and including affiliate links in your descriptions, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your referrals. This method works particularly well if you create content that aligns with specific products, such as tech reviews or lifestyle recommendations. Sponsorship opportunities also present a significant income potential. Brands are often willing to pay creators to promote their products or services, especially if you have a dedicated following. Building a strong subscriber base is crucial for attracting these sponsorships, as companies typically look for channels with engaged audiences. To ensure financial stability, it's essential to diversify your income streams. Relying solely on ad revenue can be risky, as fluctuations in views can impact earnings. By combining ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships, you can create a more resilient income model. Encouraging viewers to explore these various monetization techniques will not only enhance their earning potential, but also provide a more sustainable approach to their YouTube journey. Promoting your channel. Effectively promoting your YouTube channel is essential for growing your audience and increasing your visibility. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok can help you reach a broader audience by sharing snippets of your videos, behind-the-scenes content, or engaging posts that encourage viewers to check out your channel. By actively engaging with your followers on these platforms, you can build a community that supports your content and drives traffic to your YouTube channel. In addition to social media, understanding the importance of SEO and keywords is crucial for discoverability. Optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords can significantly improve your chances of appearing in search results. Researching trending keywords in your niche can help you create content that aligns with what potential viewers are searching for, making it easier for them to find your videos. Collaboration with other creators is another effective strategy for expanding your reach. Partnering with fellow YouTubers can introduce your channel to their audience, providing an opportunity for mutual growth. Whether through guest appearances, shoutouts, or joint projects, collaborations can create valuable connections and foster a sense of community within your niche. By leveraging social media, optimizing for SEO, and collaborating with other creators, you can effectively promote your YouTube channel and attract a larger audience, setting the stage for long-term success. In summary, the journey to making $500 a day on YouTube using AI tools is not only achievable, but also an exciting opportunity for aspiring creators. We explored how leveraging AI for content creation can streamline your processes, from generating scripts with tools like ChatGPT to producing engaging videos with platforms like Synthesia. By selecting a profitable niche, implementing effective content creation strategies, and exploring various monetization techniques, you can set yourself up for success in the competitive world of YouTube. However, the key to turning these insights into reality lies in taking action. It's essential to implement the strategies discussed, whether that means optimizing your video titles for SEO, promoting your channel on social media, or collaborating with other creators. The more proactive you are, the closer you'll get to achieving your financial goals. As we wrap up, I encourage you to engage with this content. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights and strategies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who may benefit from learning how to harness the power of AI tools on YouTube. Your support not only helps us grow, but also fosters a community of creators eager to learn and succeed together. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.